Om Sri Ganeshaya Namaha. Har Har Mahadev. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Shravan month Mahatmye, chapter 11. Description of Rotak and Udumbar fast. Sanat Kumar said, O God, I have heard from you about all the fast of the days of Shravan month, but I am not satisfied by drinking the nectar of your words. O Lord, I feel that there is no other month like Shravan, so please tell me the significance of the dates. God said, O Sanat Kumar, Kartik month is the best among the months. Magh is said to be the best than that. Vaishakh is better than that Magh. And Margshirsh is even better than that which is very dear to Sri Hari. Being born from the Vishwarup God, these 4 months are dear to me. But among the 12 months, Shravan is the form of Lord Shiva himself. O Sanat Kumar, all the dates in Shravan month are filled with fasts, yet I am telling you about some of the best dates among them. First of all, I tell you about the fasts mixed with the date and day. In the month of Shravan, when the Pratipada Tithi falls on Monday, then there are 5 Mondays in that month. In that month of Shravan, people should observe a fast called Rotak. This fast is called Rotak is also of 3.5 months. It increases Lakshmi and fulfills all the wishes. O sage, I will tell you its rule. You listen carefully. In the Shukla Paksha of Shravan month, when the Pratipada Tithi falls on Monday, then the learned should take this resolution in the morning. I will observe the Rotak fast starting from today. O best of the gods, O Jagat Guru, have mercy on me. After that, one should worship Mahadev, who holds a spear daily with unbroken bilva leaves, tulsi leaves, Nilotpal, Kamal flowers, Kahlar flowers, Champa and Malti flowers, Kovind flowers, Akh flowers, various other beautiful flowers available in that season and time, incense, lamp, offerings, and various types of fruits. Especially rotis should be offered as the main offering. 5 rotis should be made as per the diet of a man. The wise person should give 2 of them to Brahmins, eat 2 rotis himself, and offer 1 roti to the deity as offering. The wise person should offer arghe after performing the rest of the worship. Banana, coconut, jambiri, lemon, bij purak, dates, cucumber, grapes, orange, bijora lemon, walnut, pomegranate, and other fruits available in the season, all are suitable for offering arghe. Listen to the result of that offering of arghe. The result that a man gets by donating the earth along with the 7 seas. He gets the same result by observing this fast as prescribed. Those who desire a lot of wealth should observe this fast for 5 years. After this, the fast called Rotak should be concluded. For the Udyapan ritual, make 2 Rotaks of gold and silver. On the first day, after settling down, perform the Havan in the morning with ghee and excellent bilva leaves by chanting the Shiva mantra. Oh dear, by completing the fast in this manner, a man gets all the desired fruits. O Sanat Kumar, now I will describe the auspicious fast of Dvitiya, by observing which will, with devotion, a man becomes wealthy and has a son. That fast called Udumbar is the destroyer of sins. When the auspicious month of Sawan arrives, the wise should take a vow in the morning on the second day and observe a fast according to the rules. The person observing this fast, be it a man or woman, becomes entitled to all the wealth. In this fast, the fig tree should be worshipped directly. But if the fig tree is not available, then the shape of the tree should be made on the wall and it should be worshipped with these 4 name mantras. O Udumbar, salutations to you. O Hem Pushpak, salutations to you. Salutations to you who has fruits with animals and fruits like blood eggs. Its presiding deity, Lord Shiv and Venus, should also be worshipped in the fig tree. Its 33 fruits should be taken and divided into 3 equal parts. Out of these, give 11 fruits to a Brahmin, offer 11 fruits to the god, and eat 11 fruits yourself. One should not eat food on that day. One should do a proper puja of Lord Shiva and Venus and stay awake at night. Oh dear, after performing this fast for 11 years, one should do Udyapan to complete the fast. Make a fig tree with golden fruits, flowers, and a vessel, and worship the idols of Lord Shiva and Venus in it. After that, do home in the morning. Do home with in 108 auspicious, soft and small fruits of fig and fig wood, along with sesame and ghee. After completing the home, worship the Acharya. After that, according to your capacity, feed only 10 or 10 Brahmins. O son, listen to the result of observing this fast. Just as this fig tree has many fruits with many animals, similarly, the person observing this fast also gets many sons and his lineage increases. The person observing this fast becomes Lakshmi Prad, like a tree with golden flowers. O Sanat Kumar, till date, I had not told this fast to anyone. I have told you about this fast, which is the most secret of all secrets. There should be no doubt about this, and this fast should be observed with devotion. In this way, the 11th chapter named Prati Pad Rotak Vrat Dvitiyodambar Vrat Kathan in the greatness of Shravan month in Ishwar Sanat Kumar Samvad under the Sri Sakand Puran is completed. All those who are listening, please say with me, Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev. Friends, please like and share this video. Also do subscribe the channel. Thanks. Om Namah Shivaya.